Hello and welcome back to Surgery 101. This is Jonathan White just doing a brief video about a new feature on our website called Surgery 101 Network. We're hoping that Surgery 101 will become a sort of a shared online resource where people who are interested in learning about surgery can come to access the resources that are here and perhaps to share and learn from one another. And really that's the point behind Surgery 101 Network. We're trying to encourage people to share the resources that they've got and to request new resources so that we can all go forwards together and help Surgery 101 keep on going and keep on meeting your needs as learners. So this is the idea behind Surgery 101 Network, and as you can see there's a little new menu item up here with the network on it, and all the different sorts of things you can do are listed below. So you can submit an episode, request an episode, ask the surgeon. There's a donation piece there, and also Facebook and Twitter. So I'll show you first of all how to submit an episode. If you've got an episode or a learning resource you think is really good, here's how you would submit it to Surgery 101. So let's just click on submit, and it says contribute there. There's lots of ways you can help us, and we want you to consider submitting a podcast, a case, a set of slides, a video, perhaps a practice examination or a learning resource. And there's a list here all the different topics we need. You can click on that and see all the things we're looking for at the moment. There's also information about doing a surgical education elective or a summer studentship or doing a graduate degree in education. Those are other ways you can contribute. You can just send us an email, our email address here, or you can use the form below here to sign up. So just give us your name and your email address, and then tell us what your learning resource is. Tell us what it is and what format it is, how long it is it a slide set, is it a podcast, whatever, and then hit submit, and then we'll assess it for publication on Surgery 101. The other option, of course, is to request an episode. So let's hit request an episode, and this is a form which is going to let you tell us if there's a new episode you'd really like. So again, you give us your name and your email address, and it says, I have a great new idea for a Surgery 101 episode or a feature. What I would like to see is this. Type it in that box, tell us what it is you want, hit submit, and we'll get the message, and we should be able to make you an episode based on that, hopefully. You can also ask the surgeon. This is just for general questions, not really requesting a whole new episode, but saying, again, giving us your name and your email and saying, hey, I have a question for the surgeon, here's what I want to know. And we'll do our best to answer the questions that come in through Ask the Surgeon. We may have a special Ask the Surgeon episode in the future, perhaps. So just tell us what question you'd like to ask the surgeon here, and we'll do our best to answer it. You can support Surgery 101 by donating, of course. And there's a little link to PayPal here. You can donate a little or donate a lot, whatever you feel like. And please note it says here, we are a not-for-profit organisation. Any money you give us will be used to support surgical education and to develop additional learning resources through the Tom Williams Endowed Chair in Education. And of course, you can also support us by buying the Surgery 101 app and by subscribing to Surgery 101 Notes. Lastly, there's Facebook. You can get us on Facebook. There's our Surgery 101 page on Facebook. I'll just go back, and you can also get us on Twitter there as well. You can click right through, and that'll take you to our Twitter page, Surgery 101, the best surgery podcast ever. That's almost it for the Surgery 101 network. I should point out a couple of additional ways that you can share and help us. Number one is if I click on an episode like this, like Inflammatory Bowel Disease episode 2, you can share this episode through Twitter. Just click on this, and it'll open up a Twitter window with the name of the episode, the link to the episode, and your Twitter handle there. And you can tweet about it right in that window. Same thing on Facebook. It'll take you to your Facebook page. You can log in and post about us, put it in your status update. You can pin us to a board in Pinterest. You can email this episode to someone. You can use LinkedIn or Dig or Reddit as well. You can also like the episode. Lastly, we're very happy if you want to start a discussion in the comments. You leave a reply, enter your comment here. You've got to have an email and a name to leave a comment, and then just hit post there. So I'll just click on the main page for the Surgery 101 network before I finish. It tells you all the different ways you can contribute, submit an episode, request an episode, ask the surgeon, find us on Facebook or Twitter, purchase the app or subscribe to the notes or donate or start a discussion in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you on the Surgery 101 network, where we can share our resources to do with surgical education so that we can all learn together. Thanks very much.